Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Please like my videos and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get all my upcoming videos notification easily. As we know that our arithmetic operators are used to perform some action over two or more values to get a single value. So let's see how can we find a single value or a result, or how can we use arithmetic operators in PHP. First of all, we have to start our PHP body. Now we have to declare some variables and assign some values to these variables to perform some action over these values. Variable A, assign value 2. Variable B, assign value 4. Variable C, assign value 5. Now as we declared our variable and assigned some values to these variables, now we have to perform arithmetic operators and get the result. To get result and perform some action in single line, we can use echo function, echo A plus B, terminator, Control S for saving. Now this will take you to the htdocs folder, which is inside XAMPP folder. Now name this file as operators.php. Enter. Now this file is saved as a PHP file. Now you have to start your XAMPP server, then start your Apache server. I have already started my Apache server. So now I have to run my browser. In URL you have to put localhost, put enter. This will take you to the htdocs folder. In htdocs we have saved our file inside dev.tv folder. Click on this folder. These all files are saved inside dev.tv folder. So we've saved our file named operators.php. Click on this file. The answer is 6. As we know that 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. So the result is generated as a 6 single value. Now if we are going to use different kind of operators in single file, then we must put line break to understand the working criteria of operators. We are using an HTML tag BR for line breaking so that we can understand how the operations were performed. Now echo C minus A, enter. Echo for line break purpose BR. Now Control S, refresh this one. The result is 3. As we know, 5 minus 2, the answer will be 3. Enter. Echo. Now the multiplication A, steric or multiplication C. Control S, refresh this one. Answer is 10 because 2 into 5 is equals to 10. Echo line break. Now echo division operator, B divided by A. Echo line break, Control S, refresh this one. The result is 2. because 4 divided by 2, the answer will be 2. Now these are the very basic 4 functions. Now we are going to use mod function. What is mod function, or why we use this one? The mod or modulus function is used to get the remainder of division of 2 or more or less. In PHP we can use or get a mod by using percentage symbol. C mod A, Control S, browser, refresh this one. The modulus of 5 and 2 is 1, or remainder is 1. Enter, echo, line break, Control S. Now we are going to use in mathematics we get a condition to find exponentiation or a power function. In PHP we use double asterisk. Always remember double asterisk or double multiplication to indicate that this is a power. Echo C double asterisk 2. Now Control S. This will generate the result as 25, because 5 square is equals to 25. This was the power function by using double asterisk. Now enter, echo, line break. Now the last 2 functions in arithmetic operators are increment and decrement. So let's see what are increment and decrement operators. Increment operators are those operators which are used to increase a value by 1. As we know that our variable a holds value 2. Now in increment and decrement there are 2 kinds of increment and decrement. First is postfix and then prefix. We are going to use initially postfix increment A plus plus. Enter, echo, BR, echo A. Now you will see the difference between these increment and decrement operators. Initially we have printed our variable A value, which is initially 2, and after printing 2 this will increase by 1, and when its value is increased by 1, 2 will become 3. When we again now print this A, then this will print the result answer is 3. So as we refresh this page, this will print 2 values, 3 and 2. 3, this was the initial value which was initially assigned to variable A, and this 3 is by increment. You can also use echo BR, enter, echo plus plus A. Now this will increase the value of A first, then it will print it. Now you must remember what was the value of A last saved. The value of A at this step was 3. Now Control S, browser, refresh this one. The result is 4. Why? because at this step the value of A is initially increased, then this will be printed. So at this step we first printed the value of A, then used increment operator, then 2 became 3. At this step we initially increased the value of A by 4, then we printed the value of A. So that's why the answer is 4. That is the case with decrement operator. Echo, line break, Control S. Now echo. As we know that we declared variable B and assigned the value 4 to variable B. Now we will see how can we decrease the value of B by using decrement operator. B minus minus, this will increase the value of variable B by 1. Control S. Remember this, that by this step this will generate the result of B, as its now value is initially 4. So at this step the value of B will be 4. If we now print the value of B at this stage, this will become 4 to 3 because we used our decrement operator. This will make 4 to 3. Enter, echo, line break, Control S, browser, refresh this one. My mistake, because I did not use the line break between these two statements. Echo, BR, Control S. Now let's refresh this one. As you can see now, the result of decrement operator first was 4, this 4, then it became 3 on second step. As earlier I told you that we are printing the value of B, then we are decreasing its value by 1. When we printed this one, it actually printed the actual value which was 4. After decrement, its value became 3. Now as we use echo function at this stage, this generated the resulted answer 3. Now you can also decrease the value and generate by pre-decrement, as we saw in this example of increment. So echo, minus minus or decrement operator, B, Control S. Now as we know that the value of B was 3, now we decreased the value of B by 1, then we are going to print the value of B. It means that 3 will become 2. So Control S, browser, refresh this one. As you can see the result 2. As we discussed earlier that this is the post and prefix increment and decrement operators. So that was all about the arithmetic operators. I hope you have understood usage of the arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, mod function, then exponentiation. After that we used our increment and decrement by both these techniques, prefix and postfix increment and decrement. I hope you have enjoyed and understood the concept. So please like my videos and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get all my upcoming videos notification easily.